Another firm favourite for the barbecue is our Tikka Supreme Marinade. Gives you all the flavour you'd expect. Again, really easy to use. So we've got some diced chicken breast. Just going to pop that in. Then got our marinade. Again, you don't need too much of this. It's really strong. Gives you a great flavour. As before, mix it around really well. Make sure all the chicken is well coated. Once you've done that, take your skewers, make sure that you've pre-soaked them. You can start to build some Tikka Supreme skewers. Got a little bit of onion on the top, pepper, chicken again, repeating with the onion, pepper, and then the chicken, making up our Tikka Supreme skewers.